Welcome to the Cryptonest. Alright, so I'm starting to get depleted of ideas of how to measure this impulsive movement because it just keeps going higher and higher. So remember before I had the third wave option, and after that I changed it to because I think I was counting this as a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this as a wave 3. No, actually at the beginning I was 1, 2, 3, 4, and now this I cannot explain, right? Because this is just crazy for the fifth wave, and I don't have any logical structure to dig in. And so after that I switch and counting this. So this is an A, B, C, and I call that a wave A because this is not sustainable anymore. I cannot have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and have a crazy fifth wave if I don't have a structure to justify it. I mean, it can still be there, but just my problem, I cannot make it work. So after that, if I do that and I say, okay, this is an ABC for the wave A, this is an ABC for the wave B, and I'm still having a problem though, because yeah, even on the 15 minutes, let's see here. Actually, let me remove the drawings first. Okay. Yeah, honestly, even if I go on a 15 minutes, I don't think I can manage, because to me it has to be a little bit clear, okay? To call this a 1, 2 and then say, this is 1, 2, and then all this is a third wave, and now this is a fourth wave. Yeah, for me it doesn't work. Why this is a 1, 2? How? It's like, what? No, it doesn't work for me. But so when it's unclear, I just try to not say things, and then the only thing I'm saying, it's not clear for me anymore. But yeah, honestly now I just start to okay, I'm going to remove this one because now for me this doesn't make sense, so I'm going to remove it. But now I feel that I could just say, just let me check here. Just wanna, let me zoom out a little bit. Can this just be a 5 wave and that's it? Oh yeah, it's right, I selected that one. Because if I can do that, is it all ABC? Is it? Pretty much, is it? 1, 2, and then that was ABC 3. Yeah, I do have a little bit of a problem now, because to justify this thing, it does bother me a little bit. But okay, fine, I'm going to stay with this ABC anyway. I shouldn't be saying that, but in my opinion, we kind of reach pretty much the top, or about to. In my humble opinion anyway. I can remove that now. I can also remove that because it didn't happen. This 1 and 3, I think also I can remove. Okay, that's, I'm going to leave it. Also this I can remove, so it's going to be a little bit better. Okay, so now if this is the A, the B, I'm going to do a fib retracement just for this potential C wave, and that's going to give me a level where I can say, if it goes below this level, first indication that we did reach the top. I am going to take the fibs for the fourth wave. So for me, if the price goes below $100,000, for me, this is a first indication that we're going to start to make the correction, and that's going to be my first hint. All right, so more likely today I'm going to take a little bit more profits on Bitcoin. Now, saying that, it doesn't mean that price cannot go to 104, 851. It can even go higher. So this is part of the game of taking profits, or part of the game of non-taking profits. So we don't take profits, and then after, when there is a deeper pullback, I'm trying to be very sensitive, and not have some guilt. Okay, so this is how I want to put it. Now, because this is Bitcoin, I am not going to strain myself to the 2x, and it can go even, I don't know, 107,809. It would reach the 2.618. Yeah, this would be a crazy C wave, but this is Bitcoin, so it can make things doing crazy, right? Okay, so there is other things. I think up to now, I think there are 2 states. Now, I don't remember them. I saw an article yesterday. Let me go and check if I can recover it. My computer, it's a little bit slow. Let me check here. Okay, so first state Bitcoin reserve law passed. I think it's New Hampshire that passed it. And one of my friends also, he sent me a message, and Arizona also is doing that. So this is the beginning of, because now I think the city of Florida already start to mine, and I think is keeping, actually you can actually pay your tax with Bitcoin. I wouldn't do that, but I would feel very dumb if would I pay my tax, I don't know, at the beginning of the year. Look at that, yeah, so the city of Florida or Miami, I don't remember, they are already holding some Bitcoin. Now these are the first 2 states, and yeah, this summer, maybe in this month, the law is going to pass, or June, July, August, and that's going to be, I would say, the last impulsive movement of the bull run, when officially the government of United States is going to have its Bitcoin reserve. And the thing is, he already has one with I always forget the term, presidential. It's not a decree, but something. Yeah, I always forget about the technical name. What is it? Presidential? Yeah, I don't have it. So you already in store, the Bitcoin reserve, but now it's when are they going to start to acquire more? This is what's going to trigger the market, I think, to go to the moon, and then we will get there when we will see many other states maybe that they pass the bill, and they're going to do a Bitcoin reserve as well. And Bitcoin, is still very high, but you would expect price to go much higher because of the news, but it doesn't. That would be about the time, or kind of start to be a confirmation, slowly but surely, that we are currently reaching the top. When we have a good news and price doesn't really move up, it's because we are in the zone of profits and get the hell out. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Once again, yeah, maybe I was losing in many details, but 100k, below 100k, for me, this is the first sign that it's time to I don't want to say take profit because I'm taking them now, but after that we need to prepare for a bigger pullback, and this is yeah, a conservatory one, because I could easily say it could go up to 17,000. I don't think it's going to go there. You know, 86, 83,000, for me that would be a sweet spot. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so once again, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Subscribe to our Discord channel.